you in a minute. Where'd it go? Let me see. Are you being silly? Let her put it on there. Let her put it on, Max.
And then turn it off.
Just a second. Let her put it on there first. Oh my gosh. That's hilarious. Morgan, what color are those?
I have different colors.
Yeah.
Mom, do me.
I'm videoing you.
I want to see it.
Okay, in a second. Can you say peekaboo? Morgan, what's your name? Hey, Morgan, how old are you? Max, how old are you?
3.
How old are you going to be in a couple weeks?
4.